Any questions?
Manju, yesterday was there a lecture?
Sorry, not yesterday. Day before yesterday, we had the
Okay,
class.
okay, okay,
There
okay.
was no class yesterday. Okay. Okay. We we were discussing about display campaign, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So did you all? I'm hoping that on the day when we were discussing, you also tried parallelly on your computer. No.
Yes,
Later,
yes.
later yesterday. So it will
Yes,
be.
I can try.
See, sometimes it will be difficult during the class. So I suggest later, whenever you get the time, maybe immediately after the class or maybe before the class. So you make some time to uh, replicate it or practice it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So in the previous class, in the last class, we learned how to launch a display campaign. Correct. We have gone through various kinds of settings, do's and don'ts in launching a display campaign, right? And the most important thing is messaging. So what kind of content has to be shown and to whom it has to be shown. To whom it has to be shown also, we have discussed couple of things. Correct. The audiences we discussed, right? Audiences, various kinds of audiences are targeting, keyword placement targeting, keyword targeting, based on the interest targeting, demographics targeting. Do you all remember all of that? Different kinds of targeting. Do you all remember?
Yes, Manju, yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
So dealing launching it all on the Google Ads platform, we all have understood. But how do we design these creatives, which we are going to show it to the user, which we are going to show to the public or the audiences, right? And what kind of information has to go on the creatives you design, right? We will discuss those things in today's class. Yeah. Okay. So when do you prefer to run a display campaign from the Google Ads platform? In which all scenarios you will be running a display campaign from Google Ads platform? You all know what a display campaign is, right? You will be showing ad on platforms like YouTube, Google search partners like Google Maps, Google Play Store, right? And then on the display network, various other websites on the internet, right? And when do you prefer to run such kinds of campaigns? And what are you trying to achieve through such campaigns? We have discussed these as well. So I'm trying to hear from all of you. When do you prefer to run such kinds of campaigns? And what is the outcome that you are expecting from those campaigns? And what do you want to communicate when you are running such campaigns? Right? See, display campaigns mainly, the most of the times, the primary objective is build awareness. Okay. So to build awareness, you should not be speaking about product, like the information provided on the web page or the product page. See, your messaging has to be purely about educating user at the very top level. What is it about? Correct, right? And second, we will write it down. And second is uh, remarketing or retargeting. People call it as usually retargeting. Okay. So building awareness is purely about educating the audience about the product or service. Right? Remarketing is you are remarketing is you are reminding the people who have already interacted with your business, right? So you are reaching out to people who have already interacted with your business, right? In each of the scenario, the kind of message that you put across varies, right? What to be displayed to the user, what kind of message has to be shown to the user varies in building awareness, and it's going to be different in remarketing, right? Okay. So in building awareness, so we may have to take some product as an example or service as an example, and that's when we will be able to come up with some messaging. So we have to do this activity, right? So if you have to promote some service, if you have to promote digital marketing services, what is that message that you're going to put across to the public? So let's assume all of you are digital marketing trainers and you want to educate public about digital marketing and you have to get registrations. What would you write to the public or to your target audience? So can we have that exercise now? Can you all please see, that is what is going to be the information put on the creative that we are going to design. We are basically planning a communication to be made to the public or to the user, right? So what I'll be doing is maybe display. I'll write as display creative content planning, right? So you are thinking that this person might show interest in your course. So you have to speak about it. Learn this. Maybe I'll write it this way. Yeah. Learn this one skill, or maybe learn this non coding trending skill to build your career, or maybe let me come up with a different thing. Okay. Learn in demand digital marketing skills. So I'm writing to audiences who has not made up their mind yet about a digital marketing program. So hence I'm writing learn in demand digital marketing skills, right? Maybe I want to create more interest on this, so I will write 3 lakh plus job opportunities, right? I'll write again 5 lakh to 12 lakh CPC, the most satisfying career option, something like this. And then I'll also write explore more. This will be the CTA. Okay, we call it as call to action. See, in your any ad that you're going to write, you have to always write a call to action. See, if you are explaining something to the person, there is an objective behind it, correct? Why are you explaining it? What are you? So you have to call them for the action. So you will simply see wherever you go, people will explain and they'll not leave. They'll ask, do you want to register? Do you want to buy? right? So hence you have to come up with an appropriate call to action, CTA, right? So now, see now this person, let me write an ad copy for this remarketing ad as well. Then we'll start discussing the differences, why it is like this, why it is done in a different way as compared to the top. Yeah. So as compared to the top, building awareness. Okay. So if it is remarketing, I'll be probably writing it uh, most preferred digital marketing institute, right? And then the point, highest rated, or maybe I'll write it as 5 out of 5 rated, 5 out of 5 rated for quality, quality delivery or something like that. I'm just writing a very small sentence now. 5 out of 5 rated for quality, 20,000 plus trained, right? And then industry experts. Okay, so if you observe this, for remarketing, the type of content that I have put is completely different from the top. A new audience that I'm interacting to. Why is that so? So if you go with the remarketing, if you have to understand, deep dive and understand what is this remarketing, see these are the people who have already interacted with your business, who already knows about your business, who already knows about your business, who already knows about your business, but but they did not place an inquiry or they did not register with you, right? Why did they not register with you? Why have they not registered with you? One is they might have not trusted you or might have not understood about your credibility, right? Hence they have quit. The other reason could be probably they are not satisfied with the pricing or the commercials that you have provided, correct? Right? See now you have to focus on educating those things. There is no point of, see they already know about what digital marketing is, how the digital marketing career is, and you don't have to speak about these things. Monitoring of display campaign. Okay, so you might get lot of non-intentional clicks from various apps, especially the one used by kids, right? Hence you have to you have to review the review and eliminate such apps. So how do you do that? You will be adding them under the exclusion list. Okay. So you have seen previously in the search campaigns we were seeing the search term reports, right? Search term reports. Where is that? Yeah. Okay. I think we have one display campaign also here. So I'll show you the report of the display campaign also. Today. Okay, see, if it is a shopping campaign, remarketing shopping campaign, you don't have to design any creative. Okay, so automatically it just picks list of products and it displays. It's loading. I'll show it to you how it looks like. There are some issues with the products. Okay, that's okay. That's a different issue to be dealt with. Otherwise, what it does, it just picks all of these products, it just groups them and displays like this. On Google also, it looks like that only. But yeah, it looks same on both display and on Google. The only difference is we don't have to they are not showing to me again. Those are shopping ads displayed on the display network, right? These are the regular creative ads displayed on the display network. Did you all get that? Everybody?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have very less data. 6 impressions is negligible. There's nothing to see here. So you see this when and where ads showed. You will get the information when and where your ads were shown. Okay, maybe I'll pick it all time. You see this placement, call campaigns. Okay, so look at this. Previously, we had one amazing remarketing campaign. See, display remarketing shop. The name itself was display remarketing shopping campaign. So it has served ads these many impressions. It has got these many impressions from YouTube and these many number of clicks, right? Mobile apps, bubble shooter, classic pop, Google Play. You will see the name. You can download this list, right? You see the channels, mobile apps. See, in some scenarios, what happens is, see, now this is related to kids. Bubble shooter, classic form, Google Play, Bubble. Maybe this is for kids, and you will never see conversions coming from these kinds of clicks. Or see, conversion is not tracked here on this account. There is some issue with the conversion tracking. So the problem is now you won't be able to decide at all whether you should be whether these are helping to you or not, right? So you will get the information which one is working and which one is not working this way, and you can decide based on that should you be excluding any of this or you have to keep them. Ismaya food, what is this YouTube channel? Okay, so how do you exclude here under tools, shared library, exclusion list, placement exclusion list. So negative for search campaigns, we will exclude the keywords. See, for display campaigns, if you are bidding on the keyword targeting, you can exclude keywords here and apply to that campaign. If you are bidding on the YouTube channels, if you want to show ads on YouTube, if you are displaying ads on YouTube channels or on other websites, you can exclude the channels and websites also here. Maybe you don't want to show ads on your competitor channel ever. You can stop showing them. But it's the other way around. People want to show on competitor channels, right? So you can create a list and you can exclude lists, right? So you can exclude YouTube channels, right? Search by keyword, by. See, if it is a remarketing campaign, I don't want to do that. If I'm generally simply pushing it to everybody, I don't want to show ads to people who are looking, who are exploring related to bikes. If it is remarketing, that clearly indicates they have already visited my website once. Now it doesn't matter what they are browsing. My only goal is to serve an ad to them. I know that they were interested in my product or business or service or in the brand sometime back, and there are very good chances of they re-looking into it, or maybe they will start remembering it. We are reaching out to the right people, right? In those scenarios, you don't have to exclude anything. So you decide to exclude only when. So you can create a list name and you can start entering the names, enter placement URLs line by line, and you can just save it like how we entered the keywords. Do you all remember how we entered the keywords? Now I can create site level exclusion list. I'll call that by that name. I'll exclude. I'm telling that don't show ads on candradigital.com. I'll again write don't show ads on candra.pro. I'll just save it. You all see the screen, right, guys? That's not stuck, right?
Yes, yes, it is loading.
Okay. See, it's very easy to explore and understand. Hence, I suggest you all to start doing this again and again. So, launch some 5 to 10 display campaigns on your own, right? So, if you are stuck with something, let me know. Okay, I'll be helping you out. So, each type of campaign, whether it's search campaign or display campaign, whatsoever it is, you should start. Okay, save. Okay, so now I can apply this to a campaign. It's same thing like how I add keywords. I'm adding the websites. I can apply to any of the campaign of my choice. Okay, Clear? Brand list lets you choose whether your ads show on searches that mention specific brands. So you can decide to exclude brand list, let you choose whether your ads show on searches that mention specific brands. So if a keyword contains, say somebody is searching digital marketing, or maybe I will take shoes Mintra, shoes Flipkart. So do you prefer to show for such keywords who are explicitly searching shoes Mintra? It's very clear that the end user has made up their mind that they want to explore only Mintra. Why do you want to simply show up your business and waste money? But that's not true. You may not be wasting money. Sometimes that works miracle. You will see very good response bidding on the competitor names. See, everything is data here. In digital marketing, you cannot make any assumptions just like that. Right? You have to be super good with your business analytics skills, business analysis skills. Right? So that's when you will become a very good digital marketer. Right? See, launching a campaign like this can be launched by anybody. It doesn't need so much of expertise or understanding on anything. Even my son can launch a campaign. It's that simple. If I'm showing it to him today, probably from tomorrow he'll start launching, right? So, but what matters the most is data analysis and interpretation, right? I understand this particular keyword. The keyword whichever contains this brand name has never worked in the history and has never bought any kind of sales or leads, and hence will discontinue bidding on the keyword. That's what will give you the success, right? So I'll walk you through some list. I'll show it to you. Application not responding. I showed this to all of you earlier also. Okay, see, until unless see you won't be able to tell somebody who is searching digital marketing course versus digital marketing training institute. Will you be able to tell who has higher, which keyword has higher conversion rates? It's difficult. Somebody who is searching digital marketing course must be probably researching more on the course, or still they will be in the research stage. But somebody who is searching digital marketing training institute is has made up their mind, and they are planning to visit and register for the course, right? So there are scenarios where digital marketing course, something like that, consumes a lot. Even they will get the sale, but the return on investment is very poor. To get one sale, they might have consumed 35,000 rupees, and the person must be charging 35,000 rupees for the course. So to get 10 sales, the investment is 3.5 lakhs, and they are getting only 3.5 lakhs of revenue. The return on investment is zero. Correct? Right? We will see now. You cannot tell that this keyword has got 10 sales to us. What is return on investment? There's no return on investment. So here is one such example. Yeah. Here is an example of return on investment. So if we have to decide between keywords, let's assume this is keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3, keyword 4. So my first preference, if I am running ads with a limited budget, my first preference will be to bid on this keyword, right? Keyword 1 is getting me 4 times more return. If I am investing 1 lakh rupee, it is getting me at least 5 lakhs. Even if I am removing this 1 lakh investment, it's going to be 4 lakhs return on investment on the profits. Correct? That is 4 times of my investment. And if I'm investing on this keyword, so if when I run short of sales, now my business is looking for more number of sales. This keyword has brought maximum number of sales, that is 25 sales. But as a company, I have to be getting at least 100 sales to survive. The next preference or next choice will be for me this keyword, keyword 2, which can get 15 sales, and if I'm investing 1 crore, it can get 2 crores, and excluding that 1 crore, still I will be making 1 crore profits. Correct? And if I have to still continue to bid aggressively, I'll be probably picking this keyword and not this keyword. Correct? The returns is only 0.2. If you are investing 1 crore, you'll be making 1.2 crores. Correct? Everybody? So 1 crore is gone and your earnings is still you are profitable 20 lakhs. But when I have to decide, when I have to pick 3, I'll be picking these 3. Correct? Clear everybody? So for your understanding, I will mark this as digital marketing course, digital marketing training institute, okay, digital marketing class, digital marketing certificate, right? So when I am bidding on this keyword, digital marketing training institute, I am seeing very good response. Correct? See, when you're bidding on class also, you are getting good response, but that is not as good as this. So I'll rather prefer spending more on this keyword instead of this. So if an organization has 10 salespeople, do you think all these 10 salespeople will get same kind of revenue? They all make different kind of revenue, right? So if company has to fire the poor performers, it will fire. If company has to do a cost cutting, it will not fire the best performers. It will fire the poor performers. Same way, this doesn't mean that you have to continue bidding on this keyword. See, the foolish thing that I have observed with many digital marketers is they will show, they will get the data of 1 year, and 1 year, this is, let's assume this is 1 month data. In 1 month they got 6 sales. 1 year it will be 12 6 is 72. They show this keyword is getting 72 sales, and I'll continue with this keyword. Now think of this, if this is minus 0.2, this has got 72 sales, but the revenue is 0. Did you really make anything? Now I will change this to 5% and see it's going to be 0. See, now 12 5 are 60. Correct? So throughout the year, this particular keyword digital marketing course must have got you 60 sales, but did you really make anything out of it? Right? So this is where a lot of people miss out on. They will just see that I am getting the sale, but they don't understand or realize that it's not bringing anything literally. It would have been as good as sitting quiet. Correct? Are you all understanding it?
Yes.
Okay. So it's super important to eliminate various kinds of keywords. So your brand keywords also would work exactly the same. Let's assume buy shoes Flipkart, buy shoes Myntra, buy shoes Jabong, buy shoes some XYZ. So you have bid on just buy shoes, and this keyword in a phrase match has potential to trigger for buy shoes, buy shoes Myntra, correct? Buy shoes Jabong, buy shoes Amazon, buy shoes Flipkart. Okay, so something like this. Now think of this, they're all getting sales like this. So if Flipkart is getting 4 times more return, you continue with Flipkart, and if Amazon is not getting return, stop bidding on this. I had Amazon as a negative thing. Got it? Clear? See, but people looking at this, they don't see any intention of pausing it. Without data, they'll have a question mark. Why should I be pausing Amazon, and why not Flipkart or Zebong or Myntra? Correct? You cannot decide, right? Despite having 10, 15 years or 20 years of experience, still you won't be able to make the decision, right? So what if you are selling exactly the same kinds of products that Amazon is selling? So people are putting buy shoes Amazon because they have seen certain kinds of products and they want to see them again. And even if you are selling exactly the same thing, there are good chances of buy shoes Amazon working out for you. Correct? Just because in 10 years back you have seen buy shoes Amazon has not worked for you, that doesn't mean it will not work today. It all depends on your inventory as well, right? So digital marketing is not a dumb people's cup of tea. People have to be super smart in understanding all of these things. Any dumb person can launch a campaign just like that, right? See, in 2012 I went through 7 lakh rows of data to figure out there was 20 lakhs of wastage every month. See, now even if this cannot be considered to be as a loss because this is getting sales. You see that this is getting sales. You cannot consider this to be as a loss still. It is break even or nothing is happening, right? See, now for their business, it was all minus that did not get any sale. Forget about return on investment. The sales itself were zero always. The sales were zero. And on such keywords, they were wasting 20 lakhs every month of 1.5 crore budget, 1.2 to 1.5 crore budget per month. This is one of the well-known brand. And back to 2010, 12, 12, 11, 12, they were spending around 1.2 crore a month, right? Now, so my implementation, my small efforts is saving them 20 lakhs every month. So if the company can recognize me, what should be my salary from the next day? If I can clearly educate them that I am saving 20 lakhs every month for you, see, in performance marketing, especially when companies are investing in very huge volumes, and if you are that capable person, capable of handling it all effectively, you will become the most valuable asset in the organization. And your salaries will be crazy. I know one of the performance marketer was getting paid 1 crore CTC. He did not had decades of experience, less than decade of experience. Okay, so it all see parallelly your communication skill, your analytical skills, your marketing skills, everything has to support you. Right? That's when you will be able to do good in the domain. Okay, any questions, guys? Like you see the videos, right? Skip ad on YouTube, right? Those kinds of ads. Okay. So what do you need to launch a video campaign? Yes, you need a video, and Google suggests you to have a video less than 30 seconds, 20 seconds, and the ideal video they suggest is 6 seconds. Okay. Okay. So let me click on this plus. Are we all good to start launching a new campaign? See the table which I was discussing to you now, these are the important questions that you would see coming in the interviews. Okay. So I'll again pick awareness and consideration or website traffic, anything is fine. Continue. So here it is, video. Reach viewers on YouTube and get conversions. Okay. See Google, YouTube was by some other company and Google acquired this YouTube long back. Okay. YouTube, Google knew that this is going to be a huge market for them, huge revenue stream for them, and hence Google acquired YouTube. Right? There is a very detailed publishing on it. Like Google has invested X amount on it, and it is making 10 times or 100 times of what it has invested in buying the YouTube. That's every year. Again, not the lifetime value. Every year they are making few tens or 100 times of what they have invested on video. I forgot the actual numbers. Okay, so click on this video if you want to launch a video campaign. Skip ad campaigns and just click on continue. So always have a proper naming for your campaigns. So if you are an agency and if you would like to understand those campaigns were launched by you, have such reference. So we put, if we are handling clients account, we usually put Canva Digital somewhere. Okay, so we'll put, so video campaign if we are promoting XYZ product. Okay, let's say we are promoting digital marketing course. Maybe we'll put digital marketing course video campaign, digital marketing course video campaign. Okay, Canva digital or something clear or something, whatever you want. Okay, so enter the location Bangalore, Karnataka. It's already entered. You can enter any other location of your choice. Bid strategy, target CPA or maximize conversions. Okay, so I think you can change this. Maximum, the following bid strategies are not available in this campaign. Maximum CPVs, cost per views, target CPM. Okay, uh, target CPM is cost per million impressions. Okay, so viewable CPM, target CPM is for conversions. Cost per acquisition. A typical CPA for a video campaign is between 316 to 686. You see, so when I take CPA's cost per acquisition, I am telling to YouTube, I am ready to invest some amount to get a sale, whatever it is, whatever the goal it is, right? So they will send the traffic to your website. It could be installing the app, it could be signing up on the website, it could be filling the form on the website, it could be creating an account, or it could be making a purchase on the website. Anything can be acquisition, right? And how much did you spend to acquire that particular goal, right, is cost per acquisition. And it is telling that a typical CPA for a video campaign is between 316 and 686. It is trying to influence me to put above 316. Maybe I'll put 200. Let's see what happens. Budget daily 400 rupees. This indicates even if I am getting one lead, one sale at 200 rupees, I'll get maximum two sales a day. Consider increasing your budget to 3000 or higher. A higher budget helps quickly optimize your campaign, which can help you get more conversions sooner. Increase budget to 3000 rupees. So always you can click the start date and end date. Networks, YouTube, video partners on ads can appear on YouTube videos and channels, YouTube home, and in YouTube search results. Okay, Google TV, this is not available in India. Google partners, video partners on the Google Display Network. Video partners extend the reach of video ads to a collection of sites and apps in Google. So some you must have seen videos playing on some websites, right? So you cannot uncheck this, it's by default taking it. Get up to 24% more conversions by adding assets, site links.
Manju, who are these Google partner if they say it so?
Google partners is, see Google, any website. See
Hmm.
now Silicon India, I was showing you ads. See, as a
Correct.
website, maybe if you own a website, you can
Huh.
register with Google AdSense to show videos on your website. Or if you have any video website, you can partner with Google to show ads on the videos.
Okay. Got
Okay.
it.
So you must have sometimes seen the videos will be automatically playing on some websites.
Correct. Correct.
So it can be either incorporated by the business themselves, the website owner themselves, or it could be playing from the display network, display ads like this. Okay. Video
Okay.
partners on the Google display network.
Okay.
So as a website, I can always register to show ads of any businesses on my website, either in the form of creatives, text, or videos. Yeah. Site links. You all know what a site link is. We have selected the site links, and this is applicable for search campaigns or any other kind of campaign. Okay, and here next, product feed. So use a Google Merchant Center feed to show products with your ads. See, on Google Ads also, on the videos also, not on the videos, your products will be displayed somewhere on the YouTube. If along with, you will be inputting anyways the video, your products will get displayed here and there somewhere on the YouTube, not necessarily on the skip. Skip thing you cannot show. While the video is running, below that, your ads can be shown. You can't remove or change this merchant center account after it's been saved. Okay, group name you give some ad group. Maybe I'll put it as 6 seconds video, and in the ad group I'll add one more video, 20 seconds. I can name it as 20 seconds video, or I will be naming it as in the name of celebrity. Shah Rukh Khan has given the ad. I'm promoting that. I'll put it as Shah Rukh Khan. Again Salman Khan. There will be one more video, and I'll name that ad group as Salman Khan. Everything will be under one campaign. Okay, so people who you want to reach audiences, so this is same like how we did the audiences for the display campaign, right? So let's see, chicken pickle keywords. My video is chicken pickle and I want to show ads to people whomsoever have searched chicken pickle on Google. So that is what I have previously done, and it is showing me the list which I have already created previously, right? So on the WordPress websites, if you have uploaded image previously, it shows under the library still. You can go and pick it, correct? So it's something like this. If you want to upload a new image, what will you do? You will click on upload new image, right? Same way here, new audience, you can click on new audience and you can create any new audience in the method that we discussed previously. Okay, so I'm not creating the new audience again. Maybe if you still have doubts, in the upcoming classes we'll create the audiences again. We will spend time creating only the audiences. So digital marketing course such as which we created in the last class, if you all could recall, right? Other audiences, test audience, I can probably pick one of them, right? I have picked chicken pickle keywords, whomsoever have searched chicken pickle on Google. Now if these people are coming to YouTube, they will start seeing my ad. I can show ads to remarketing audiences also, all website visitors also. Right here in the audience section, I'll select all website visitors that we did it in the display campaign. Optimized targeting. Optimized targeting helps you to get more conversions within your budget. Google may find people beyond your selected audience. Should I be checking this or unchecking? Should I check this or uncheck this?
Unchecking.
Why?
Untick. Because Google will try to spend maximum amount which you have bid.
But Google is nowhere telling
Will
it,
try
right?
to exhaust the.
Optimized targeting helps you to get more conversions with your budget. Within your budget, Google may find people beyond your selected audience. Is Google telling anywhere it's spending more? It's not telling, right?
No. This case, we can go with the tick mark.
Everybody, what did I explain in the previous class about this? See, Google is not directly telling to you See, I'll ask you, would you like to have a cup of coffee? If you are interested, if you are not interested, see, sometimes we will keep quiet. What should it be considered to be as? Does that mean are you interested? Are you seeking for it or not seeking for it? See, Google is not really telling that it's going to utilize your budget and spend on something that you did not intend. You are not intending to show certain group for certain kinds of people, but Google is showing to them. See, that's what we discussed in the previous class also. If you have 100 rupees, you try to spend 100 rupees on something that you know. Right? Now, you use taking up this option, Google will spend 80 rupees on something what Google has decided, and 20 rupees will be left for what you are targeting. So don't go with this option ever until and unless you want to experiment one scenario, or it's accidental mistake from your side, you might have not seen it and you just ignored it and went ahead, or you are dumb or making dumb assumptions about this is going to be super useful. Or see, first thing I told, experiment already, experiment it, and if it is really working well for you, you could go with it. But my suggestion is, don't do it when you are learning with limited budgets. See, if companies are shooting in the dark, right? They'll be investing crores of money on the ads just like that. In those scenarios, it's fine. And it depends on the type of the product. There is no harm, no problem with promoting Blinkit for everybody. Correct? There is no harm or no problem in promoting certain kinds of businesses for everybody. Right? In those scenarios, we go with optimized targeting. FMCG, FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, you promote to everybody and everybody will be your customer. If you are selling digital marketing course, do you think everybody will register for digital marketing course? Then you going with your selected set digital marketing course will make it a right decision. Correct? Right? See, now there is nothing as such you should select or unselect. It all depends on your business category, business goals, your understanding of it, your purpose. If you are trying to experiment it, go ahead and do it. You have thorough understanding of it. I mean, about the requirements. Clear, everyone?
Okay, got it.
Okay, right. Next thing is, you will have to provide that video ad which you want to show in between to people while they are watching interesting videos of their own. That ad that comes and interrupts, right, plays for few 20 seconds, 6 seconds, 30 seconds, skip ad. You want to pick that ad. Okay, so if you already have that URL with you, paste that URL, select up to 5 videos, add videos longer than 10 seconds and ideally shorter than 3 minutes. See, your video has to be about 10 seconds and shorter than 3 minutes, right? So maybe I'll just try to pick some videos from this channel if there are any. Right, this is 1 minute 6 seconds. This is 2 minutes 28 seconds. This is 1 minute 7 seconds. Right, there's so many videos. Now I can pick. This is 3 minutes 32 seconds, so I'll not pick that. It's okay. I'll go with one of them. Anything is fine. Okay, foods that lead to obesity, healthy and tasty alternatives for junk food. Okay, see, this is not real time. Actually, every video has got views. This were published today or yesterday, I don't know, recently. Right, it says up to 5. Select up to 5. I don't have to select up to 5. Right now, how this looks like. Okay, on YouTube. This is playing under shorts. This is shorts, and previous one, this is also shorts. Skip ad video. This is example of your skippable in-stream ad on YouTube. It's called as in-stream ad. Okay, and this is in-stream ad. This is in feed. In feed in the sense you're scrolling through YouTube, right? Somewhere it appears. That's feed. In stream is within the video. Somewhere to the left side, right side it appears. Right. That is, see, this is in feed is centers. While you are scrolling, it appears somewhere, right? That to the right side, what it sees, you can see that also. Example of your in feed video ad on YouTube, ad on Shorts. Google Video Partners. See some website. This is some website. An ad is playing and skip ad comes. Got it? Clear? So now when you call to, stay here. So you see here call to action here. So here example.com, your website.com, your website has to be given. So we have to fill lot of other fields. So final URL. So where do you want to take people? That URL. Display URL. This will be usually your product name, not video ad. I'm just filling some random stuff. You can optimize it all to the best. Okay, call to action. See here it shows call to action. So I can write this as anything of my choice. Download, shop now, sign up, learn more. And it shows learn more now here. Wait, yeah, see, you see, learn more. Do you all see that? Yeah. So if you have to see this on YouTube, so this is in feed ad. This is not skip ad. This is directly shown, like how you see regular any other video in the search. When you search for something, you see few tens of videos, right? Your video will appear in the top when you are paying to YouTube. Okay, that way you can get more views to any video. You can give a push to the video by showing it anywhere you want. Okay, learn more and headlines. This is okay. I'll put best Indian homemade foods. You will see that headline also here. In different kinds of ads, you will see. So here you will see it. Wait, it's loading still. Okay. See, after filling all of these fields, you have to just click on create campaign or submit, and YouTube will, Google will review it, and then it notifies you that your ad went live. Clear? And most of you will be already aware of it, right? All this? No? So this is the long headline up to 90 characters. It's showing up here. Maybe if I pick a different format, short headlines will show up. Best Indian homemade foods. So based on the type of ad, the long headline, the descriptions, everything will take its place. Clear?
Okay, Manju.
Any questions, guys? If there are no questions, we'll wind it up for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss other type of campaigns. Yeah. So video content, how to create video content, what kind of videos will get the best traction, we'll discuss on that as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. See you all of you.
Okay, Manju.
Yeah? Bye. Bye.
Bye. Thanks.